Hi guys, today I am here with my babies. I put the house of my boat, the prototype, outside. The sun is not good, but this is only to explain in a simple way the procedure to connect the solar panels with the system, with the Victron system. I connect two panels of 24 volts in series. In other words, I have 48 volts for the system. Before I continue explaining this process of connection, I want to mention something. A couple of months ago, I did the same project in a catamaran. You remember in other videos, my friends Yoli and Steve with that wonderful catamaran. It's a Leopard 44, and we did exactly the same job, exactly the same. You remember we removed the engines with chain during the rain. You remember that video? Okay, and yes, we installed the solar panels, the rack. Was a heavy job, and we did exactly the same. But before we install those elements in the boat, we create a prototype in my home. In my home, we did that project. We installed all of those elements together with the battery bank, and we analyze the system, we check, and after that we go into the boat and we did the same job in the boat. This is my recommendation. If you have a chance, try to connect all of those elements, try to connect the propulsion system, everything, and try to check outside element by element before you go into the boat, and try to learn, try to call the company, the manufacturer of the elements, and ask questions about the components, about the diagrams. Probably in some cases the diagram is not clear and you need more explanation. Okay, this is my recommendation. Today we are going to talk about the connection of the solar panels. The couple of solar panels, this is the label of the panel. Yes, both of them connected in parallel. Is supposed that they provide 48 volts for the system. Before I connect the power from the solar panel systems to the batteries, the recommendation is recharge the batteries at the maximum level with a separate battery charger. Yes, in this particular case, when you bought those batteries, the batteries are coming with a battery charger. Okay, I did that process in the previous project, in the project of Yoli and Steve. Okay guys, one important thing about the recommendation of the manufacturer. The manufacturer said, okay, doesn't matter how many batteries you want to connect in the battery bank. At the beginning, to set the parameters in the computer, it's important that you charge each battery individually to the maximum. This battery is a 48 volts. The nominal voltage recommended is 56.2. All right, individually. Then we are going to use the inverter charger. We are going to use the charger of the inverter to charge the batteries individually. We are going to charge the battery one right now, and probably tomorrow we are going to charge the second one. When both batteries are fully charged, we are going to set again the parameters in the computer. All right, this is the process. We are connecting in this moment only one battery in order to connect the charger and charge battery per battery. Exactly. The recommendation is recharge the system. In that particular case, we recharge those batteries with the charger, with the charger located inside of the inverter charger. But in this case, we are going to recharge the system with the individual battery charger, Dakota, for 48 volts. Yes, we are going to connect this one to positive and negative in each battery, and we are going to recharge the system. When we finish with that procedure, we are going to start the connection, and this is the connection. Okay guys, this is the interrupter that we installed for the solar panels. We are going to remove the interrupter, and in this moment the solar panels are connected in series, and we are going to check the voltage provided for those solar panels. I have a positive and negative, and we have a 5376, 5375, and this is perfect. In this moment the switch is off. I don't have power in the output of those elements. It's 0, but I have power here. Is 53. Okay, and what is the idea? The idea is connect the power coming from the solar panels, entering here in the position photovoltaic cells, positive and negative, and from here we go directly into the Lynx distributor. And in the Lynx distributor we are going to enter negative and positive here, negative in the negative bus bar, connected with the mega fuse. Okay, this system is ready. It's ready to be connected with the system, the MPPT, the interrupter, and the panels connected here with a couple of solar panels in the roof. Okay, I have another idea, because I want to recharge with the solar panels this bank of batteries, and also the bank of batteries of the propulsion system. I want to install an a.c.r. here, probably a similar a.c.r. to this one, with one input and two outputs. Of course, with the capacity in amps enough for both battery banks. What is the idea? With the output of the MPPT, 48 volts, the positive enter here. And from this point, I am going to recharge the positive of this battery bank. And from this point, I am going to recharge the positive of the second battery bank. In this way, with one solar panel array, I can charge both battery banks at the same level. This is the final part of this installation, the installation of the solar panels with the batteries and integrated with the system. Thank you.